Welcome to Rhino-Pak. Today we'll be viewing the semi-auto universal capping machine. This capping machine is used for a wide variety of caps, including pipette caps, spray trigger caps, flat top caps, anything with a sports string type of cap. It will work on this universal capper. On this semi-automatic capper, we're going to have a few functions that include a torque adjustment to get the right tightness on your cap. We're going to have a time so we can close the heads for enough time to tighten the cap. We have an automatic switch that we can set a timer in between each close. Then we have a manual option, which is going to be used with the foot pedal. We do have a guide plate here that's going to be used to position the bottles center to the machine. We do have a long aluminium profile that we can adjust the machine's height to accommodate a wide variety of bottles. The other adjustment points on this machine is we can use these spaces on each side to widen and broaden the head to accommodate wider caps and narrower caps. We also have a center shaft. This shaft is going to come down first, and that ensures that the cap has been placed correctly. Let's say the operator puts the cap on a bit skew. The shaft is here to ensure that it hits the last bit of cap down onto the bottle. On this machine, as with all Rhino-Pak equipment that uses pneumatics, it will come with a air service unit that will be filtering the air out of any foreign particles. This machine will run off 6 bar pressure from your compressor. It'll come with an 8mm air pipe with fitting that you can connect directly to the compressor. It is powered with a 220 volt power plug, so no 3-phase required. We will be demonstrating the semi-automatic universal capper on these flat top caps. I will start with placing the cap on the containers. While placing the caps, the operator must always try and place the caps firmly on the bottle, and that will help when it gets put into the tightening machine to actually tighten that cap without any movement. We can see how this shaft comes down and actually presses on the cap to ensure that it is placed correctly. And we can also see how the torque adjustment actually stops on the cap. So these 4 wheels will stop when it hits that perfect torque setting for this cap. As we can see, the seal does stay behind, the most important part of this capper. And thank you for watching this semi-automatic universal capper demonstration at Rhino-Pak. You can contact Rhino-Pak for any further information.